Hi, my name is Tristan Johnson. I'm here for the Standard Rider Lawnmower Competition. Hold on. You have your steering wheel, which allows you to turn left or right. You have your PTO. You have your forward and reverse pedals, which allow you to go to forward and backwards. You have your air filter. Then you have your oil, which is full. You have your throttle on this side, which idles it up and down. You have your park brake, and then you have your fuel gauge down here, which is full. And the tire is good. And everything else looks good. Now I'm going to drive through the course.